Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and healthy. I welcome you all to RKP online classes. Today in this video I am going to discuss chapter 12 of your GK book, that is superlatives of the world. So what is superlative? Superlative means wonderful, brilliant or glorious, right? So superlatives of the world. If you describe something as superlative, if you describe something as superlative, that means you are saying that thing is brilliant, that is a wonderful thing. Okay, for that we use word superlative. Superlative means wonderful or brilliant or glorious. Okay, so in your book some questions are given, so we will discuss all the questions in detail one by one. So first is largest country in terms of area, that is Russia. So the largest country in the world is Russia with a land area of 16,376,870. That's why Russia is the largest country in terms of area, because it occupies 16,376,870 kilometer square. And do you know this area is equals to 11% of total world land mass. It is equals to 11% of the world land mass. That's why it is the largest country in terms of area. Next is highest mountain above sea level. So which mountain is the highest mountain above sea level? That is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest mountain above sea level. Why? Because it has a higher elevation. Here the meaning of elevation is high. Because of its height, it is the highest mountain above the sea level. One more fact is that if we talk about the peak of the Mount Everest, peak means the top point. The top point of the Mount Everest is, if we talk about the height of this is 8848.86 meters. See how long it is. The peak of the Mount Everest, peak means the top point of the mountain, this mountain is 8848.86 meters above the sea level. Okay, that's why this is the highest mountain. And do you know, no other mountain on the earth has a higher altitude as Mount Everest. Here I have used one word altitude, same meaning, high. Altitude and elevation means high. So Mount Everest is the highest mountain above sea level. So next question is highest waterfall. So see, highest waterfall is Angel Waterfalls. Angel Waterfalls. So what is waterfall? See, a river, it's a river that flows down from a rock. Look at this picture. It's a river that flows down from a rock, that is waterfall. So Angel Waterfall is the highest waterfall. Now the question arises, where is Angel Waterfall? So it is in Venezuela. Okay, if we talk about the height of Angel Waterfalls, 970, it is of 979 meters. That's why it is highest waterfall in the world. Next is largest hot desert. So largest hot desert is Sahara Desert. And where is Sahara Desert? In which continent? Africa continent. See, why Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert? First, we have discussed many times what is desert. I think you all know desert. Desert is area, the land area which is covered with sand. You are going to find sand everywhere, right? So desert is the area which is covered with sand, which receive very little rainfall. Because of this, there is very little vegetation too. Okay, so largest hot desert is Sahara Desert. Where it is? It is in African continent, right? Why it is the largest hot desert? Because it occupies how much area? It occupies 9.2 million kilometer square. And do you know one fact? This area is equals to the China country. Area of China country. See how large it is, because it occupies this much kilometer square area, which is equals to the area of China country. If we talk about Earth, it occupies 8% of world's total land mass. Okay, that's why it is largest hot desert in the world. Students, next question is longest river. Here you are to tell which one is the longest river. So answer is Nile River. Nile River is the longest river. See, why Nile River is the longest river? Because if we talk about the length of Nile River, so that is 6,650 kilometer. This is the length of Nile River. And where it is? It is in Africa. It is in Africa. And do you know one fact? Nile River is the longest river in Africa. Not only this, Nile River is also known as the father of African rivers. Next question is most populous country. Maybe you all know most populous country in the world is China. China is the most populous country in the world. Students, why China is the most popular country? What happened exactly? If we talk about the period of World War II, that was between 1939 to 1945. So after World War II, in 1949, what happened? Chinese family, they were encouraged to do the kids as many as possible. Why they have done this? Because in order to increase, in order to bring the money in the country, or in order to produce the food, okay, and in order to bring the good army, right? The Chinese families were encouraged to do the kids as many as possible. And since from that time, what happened? China is ranked as the most populous country in the world. So next question is largest island. So first you need to know what is island exactly. Island means it's a body of land that is surrounded by water. So it's a piece of land which is surrounded by water from all the four sides. We have done the difference between island and peninsula. Island is a piece of land which is covered by water from all the four sides, whereas peninsula is a piece of land which is covered by water only from three sides, right? So what is largest island? Largest island in the world is Greenland. Greenland is the largest island in the world with a total area of 2,130,800 square kilometer. This is the total area occupied by the Greenland. 2,130,800 square kilometer is the total area occupied by the Greenland. That's why it is the largest island in the world. So one more fact about Greenland is that earlier Greenland was considered to be inhospitable land. It was considered to be a inhospitable land. So what is inhospitable? Inhospitable means unwelcoming, unsociable. Sociable means where the normal people can't go. Empty place. Okay. But now it has been converted into an adventure spot. We all people can go for adventure. Next is name the largest inland water body. So first is what is inland water body? So see, what is inland water body? It's a body of water. Means it's a water body which is surrounded by land either partially or completely. So that is inland water body. So which one is the largest inland water body? Caspian Sea. So Caspian Sea is the largest inland water body. Why it's the largest inland water body? Because If we talk about the area occupied by this sea is 3,92,600 kilometer. Okay, so this is an area which is occupied by Caspian Sea. And do you know Caspian Sea can hold 50 islands. That's why it is the largest inland water body in the world.